Okay, right. Sisaqhubeka nalokho besikwenza. Nakhu-ke lapha phezulu. Acceptable letters, numericals and symbols, okay? Yabona indlela-ke abaprinte ngayo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, capital letters. Siyabona kuyalingana. Right? Lokho sicela singasebenzisi because kungagcine kungalingani. Right? Sisebenzise ama-uppercase letters only. Then siyaqhubeka sesidlulile la to from basic printing techniques. Right, siyandlula. Nakho siyaqhubeka basakukhombisa lapha. Siqhubekele. Into esizoyiqala-ke la ngizofuna senze le grid paper le just ukuthi sijwayele ukusebenzisa ama-instruments so that you can be used to using drawing instruments. So we're gonna draw this grid paper and this grid paper. Okay, let's do it. Let's not I don't have a 45 degrees set square. What are we gonna do? Bro? Okay, it's fine. We're gonna start by drawing this one. Okay, then later on when I have the 45 degrees set square, then we're gonna draw this one. Okay, let us start. Okay, let's see. Our grid paper its dimensions, it's 120 by 120. So always if usinganayisho ngento we're using construction lines. So ngadubula inwele ongamijwanga uyi-construction line, then ngathi mina le grid paper yethu esizoyenza i-120 by 120. So then from the construction line yami ngiyidwebile ngizomatch 120 suka la yophela la, then 120. But ngiqale ngokuyidweba yaba i-construction line because angikwazi ukumeasure into engekho. I can't measure something that doesn't exist. Then I measure 120 again. I measure 120 again. I do like this. Then we have our square right now. Let me make it bold. It is bold. It is bold. It is bold. It is bold. Okay, this is our square. Okay, once again, if you are drawing a horizontal line, we always use our T-square. So let me show you. This is my horizontal line. You see, I always use a T-square. Then if I want to draw a vertical line, okay, I insert my T-square like this. Okay, my T-square must be always inserted in my drawing board, and then I put my set square at an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, this angle is 90 degrees. So then I draw a vertical line. Okay, mangifuna ukudeploy ino vertical, ngibeke T-square yami, ngibeke ne-set square yami, then izongikhiphela ku line straight oya phezulu. Okay, then leli paper lethu ku-grid paper yethu esiyidwebayo sizoyidivide ngo-10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10. Then isidweba amalayini horizontal. Masidweba amalayini horizontal, we are using our T-square, right? We are using our T-square. Masidweba amalayini horizontal. Right, sabona ngithi horizontal sisebenzisa i-T square uma line horizontal T square always mina ihlale ingenile lapha kwi-drawing board yakho, akwazi wena ukutholakala usuyiphethe nje kanje i-T square yakho uyaphuma esandleni lapha. Uma useduze impela ngakubetha akushaya impela awukwazi. Okay, once again ngikala u-10 la 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10. Okay, then mangidwebula yini aba-vertical, T square yami intersected, then one of my set square should be at an angle of 90 degrees with my T square, then sengakwazi ukudweba olayini aba-vertical, right? Ngiyathemba sisephejini elilodwa. Mawusala ngazise kuse-A ngulandi la usala khona, kodwa-ke themba ukuthi sonke siyabona engikwenzayo nawe uyakwenza, engikwenzayo uyakwenza, engikwenzayo nawe uyakwenza. Ukwazi ukuthi wena uzothi ubukela ishayini elishaya ikaraji e-TV lapha, ebese uyitshela ukuthi nawe uzokwenza njalo, yabo. Enye into ebalulekile kule module noma kule subject ukuthi okwenziwayo nawe uyakwenza, yabo. Ngoba uzohlala phansi uyitshela ukuthi hhayi ngizwile mina uthisha ukuthi uthini, ungenzi, then sifike isikhathi, yabo. Kufana nomuntu ongapractice-anga uyodlala ibhola, sifike isikhathi thola iy'nkinga. So you have to practice, okay. Nayi-ke i-3D yethu la, ama-dimensions akhona 120 by 120. Nawe ngikudinga uyenzile. Uma ikhona futhi indlela ungisubmithele umsebenzi wakho, inamba yami ikhona lapho 120 millimeters, inamba yami ikhona lapho. You submit your work, then ngiyobe sengikutshela ukuthi wenza kahle yini noma uhamba eceleni kwendlela. 120 by 120 always sisebenzisa ama-millimeters lapho, millimeters. Irula lethu linama centimeter nama-millimeters, thina always sisebenzisa ama-millimeters. 120 by 120, okay. Right, cabanga ukuthi kuyezwakala.